3x minus 4y, and that's equal to 5. All right. The equation of the straight line is this, and they want you to make y the subject. So no issues, no worries at all. We can make y the subject first and foremost by bringing over 4y and bringing over 5. We can say that 4y is going to be equal to 3x minus 5. And then we divide through by 4 to get finally y is equal to, divide out the 4, we get 3 over 4 times x minus 5 over 4. And that is it. That's the equation of the straight line. All right, nice and easy. Then it says determine the gradient of the line. The gradient of the line is 3 over 4. That's the gradient of the line. All right. It says now the point P with coordinates R2 lies on the line L. Determine the value of R. Now, if R2 lies on the line, then we can find, then R2 will satisfy the equation of the line. So when X is R, Y is going to be 2. So you can substitute it right here. So you can say 2 is equal to 3 over 4. 2 is equal to 3 over 4R minus 5 over 4. You can use that one if you want. And then you solve for R. But I don't want to use this equation. After do too much cross multiplying, I'm going to go back with the original equation. The original equation would be 3R minus 4 times y being 2, and that's equal to 5. And so if I bring over that side, I'm getting 3R is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to subtract 8 from with minus 8 right here. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides to get 13. And then I divide both sides by 3 to get that R is equal to 13 over 3. That's the value for R, 13 over 3. You can check it. When you put X as 13 over 3, you have 3/4 times 13 over 3 minus 5 over 4, you get 2. So this is right. R is 13 over 3. Then it says find the equation of the line passing through 6, 0, which is perpendicular to L. Now, if the line is perpendicular to L, then the gradient of this line, I'm going to call this line the bisector line. So the gradient of this line, the gradient of this line, I'm going to call this line B. So the gradient of this line B is, if the gradient of L is 3/4, then the gradient of B is minus 4 over 3. That's because the line is perpendicular to line L. All right. So now that we know that the gradient of the line is minus 4 over 3, and it passes through this point, we can use this equation to find the equation of the line. The equation of the line is y minus yp, so it's y minus 0 is equal to the gradient, negative 4 over 3, into x minus xp, which is x minus 6. And so we expand this, and so what we're getting is y is equal to negative 4 over 3x plus, now negative 4 over 3 times -6 is going to give us -4/3 times -6, that is 8. So we'll get +8. Nice and easy. No issues. All right, time for some to finish this question 4 now. It says x plus y equal 10, y equal x, and on the same grid shade the following regions. So this looks like a little bit of linear programming. It says x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. X plus y is less than or equal to 10, and x is greater than or equal to y. Now the line x greater than or equal to 0, that's just the y-axis. So the line x greater than or equal to 0 is just the y-axis. All right. So this is just the line x equals 0. Drew it in red. And then draw the line y equals 0. This is the line y equals 0, which is the x-axis. And then you need the line x plus y equal 10. To draw the line x plus y equal 10, you draw a horizontal line passes through 10 and 10 for both x and y. This is the line now x plus y. That's the line x plus y equal 10. So this line is x plus y equal 10. And then finally, the last line that they want us to draw is x. We need to draw a line x equal y or y equal x. All right, so we're going to draw the line x equal y. The line x equal y is going to be looking like this. Just extending this line. All right, so this is the line x equal y. Now look what they're asking us now. They want the part of the solution where x is greater than 0, meaning only positive, we're in the first quadrant. Y greater than 0, again, in the first quadrant. X plus y is less than or equal to 10. That would be all of this right here. And then, so x plus y less than or equal to 10 would be all of this. But then they want the portion when x is greater than y. All right, so I'm going to do it in 2 shadings. In 2 shadings, x plus y less than or equal to 10 is all of this. All of this is x plus y less than or equal to 10. But then we need to put in the final one now is when x is greater than or equal to y. So from this solution, when it's x greater than y, we want the x value to be greater than y. The x value is greater than y in here. Can we see that? X value is going to be greater than y in here. That's when x is like 7.5, y is some value here. But up here now, y is going to be bigger than x. All right, so we just remove this part of the solution. So in here is the solution region. All right, this topic is known as linear programming. Very easy. This is a solution region. No issues there. That's all they wanted us to do. No issues.